This video is for Jpac Okwanyono. If you come across this video, do me a favor. Share the video until it gets to him. Jpac, I want to call you out for yesterday live video and the one you made today. Idalo doku bolinabu, and I want to call you out. I don't want to call you on the phone because you made that mistake on a live video, and I want you to correct yourself on that live video. Okay? First of all, I am not here to do saga with you, but I want to speak to you as a sister. Oyima kwangibwezi boy. Mama oyima kamikwa kaburezi boy. But let me start first with the man they called Hit, the native doctor. Hit, I came across your video where you said that the saga going on social media is from you. You're the one that caused this thing for the people having saga. But I want to put it to you. You are not the reason. From February, I have been hammering it on my platform. But my happiness is that ndi ngozi anatagozi fa. Makanya mbozi ezili anwuloku erugweni genti. Whatever is happening is from God. He want to do some changes. The main thing is this: I have done my part. As an open as Moses Yogaranya, I have passed the message across. The owner of the message must have received it by now. It is left for them. And I have to repeat it again. But if they refuse to do something, the one that is bigger will come. Somebody's name will go down. Let God bear me witness. And let you, human beings, bear me witness. I have been saying this all this while on my page, even on my live videos. I have releasing information. I have also made different short videos. But I was going through corners to see if they can decode what is going on. That's it. Coming to Jpac Okwanyono. My brother, I want to sing this song to you for a reason. You just got married to a beautiful young girl. Remember, if it is possible for us to see what future holds for us, every one of us will want the best. I heard you talking about somebody having a special need child. I know maybe out of anger or maybe because you have been pushed to wall that you can't take it anymore and you're using somebody's child. Please. You have some followers who are special need kids. I don't have any, but I know some people with special need kids. No parents which should have a child that the time your child is supposed to do things for themselves, they will not, and they still depend on you for everything. So Biko, my brother, your wife Amu Berongwa, your wife have not given birth. Kira tomorrow. I want you to come out and say sorry to mothers. Because that thing you said, there are some people you have heard with that thing. They say, hello, please. I want to buy nago. Onye jilu uwe mono, se uwadio mimio. Onye jilu uwe mono, omali ihe chigabuno. Onye mechi ya. Onye mari ihe chigabu ya gwananyo. Oji nwe mono ya. Oji nwe mono emezionu. Omali ihe chigabuno. Onye mechi ya. Onye mari chi gabu no ya gwananyi o. My brother Nolea, nobody knows tomorrow. And secondly, the second thing I said I want to call your attention to is this. While you were talking yesterday, you said something about Igbo. Probably something must have led to you calling Igbo, because I believe you're not having sticker for you to all of a sudden you open your mouth to call Igbo. Maybe something happened that we don't know. It would have been better you said that this is it before you begin to say what you said about Igbo. Let it not be like somehow what some are accusing you of, that you are guilty, that you talk anyhow. Let it not be like that. I know anger can make somebody do some certain things. It would have been better, you see, this is it, before you begin to talk about it. Alright? Because when I listened to Igbo's video, Igbo gave a proverb, and any Igbo child will know that the proverb about Udara, na chara dalo nyono kwese dalo, it means something. Two of you, what you have that we don't know. It would have been better. Equally, in a right way, go silly. What, let it not be now, I want you to understand. Please. If you look at that comment section, I say this is somebody's private life. Alright? I don't want to have any problem with you, because you can see, let me tell you, my brother. Because when something you're gonna know. As you are doing whatsoever, as you are talking on social media, people that are smart listens. People with integrity will look at who you are. They will know. And when somehow somebody might say something about you or might say something about me, and when they look at me, they say, can Obum do something like this? There's something somebody might say about me, they will look at me and say, is Obum a woman of integrity? Based on who I have been all this while, based on what I have been known for, then people will begin to say, yes, Obum is a woman of integrity. They will listen to what I've said. Or maybe I have been known for fabricating lies. Then when people look at me, they're going to say, Obum, that woman lies a lot. She's not a woman of integrity. She's not somebody you should listen to. So, my dear brother, before you call somebody out, because do you know why I'm saying this? You made the video. I heard when you were replying to somebody, you said, come after me. Leave my partners alone. Leave my friends alone. And that same thing you said, don't do. Can't follow me. I have no beef with you. I said, let me call you out. Okay? I know you did not just mention Ebigwe's name. Something must have prompted that. Man, I would have been better and say, oh, look at what they be. Even Ebigwe, you did something like this and this before give ku in here wala. Okay, I can just say kwe. Uchonye aderonjo. Alright? I don't have any problem with anybody. Neither do I want to have any problem with anybody. Biko, my brother, come out and tell sorry to some of our mothers. Biko, please. And Mafuha, I see them all the time. Do you know how painful it is that a mother, when it's time for your child to take care of his or herself, they will depend on you? Maybe to feed, to shower. You have to be the one. I will not somebody that lives in America. Yeah, the government will not come in and begin to help them, because thank God the Buddha, the government will even assist you with the feeding of the child. Even the husband and actually get some things to compensate you, because it's not easy. No. May God bless every one of you. As you get this video, help me share the video. Tag Jpac Okwanyono. And you that is talking, listen, do not go after somebody's family. And Jpac, please, I heard you today again. You said you're gonna bring somebody's mother's picture. Please, the woman is innocent of whatsoever that is happening. Please, I beg you. Biko. May God bless every one of you. My name is Obon Blog. Remember to follow me and share my videos. May God bless you.